Hi, this is Mohammed Wahid from Verticon Team 4, site Albury. I have submitted my previous work and I recorded it as well. I'm going to make this one a quick one. It's my final demonstration. First of all, I'm going to show you the Albury Windows Server 2012 R2 configuration, installation, and implementations. I have a comprehensive snapshot of all the work that I have done that I'll be submitting in a document alongside my demonstration. So I'm going to make this one quick. As you can see, all the servers that is required for Albury has been installed and configured. Active Directory, DHCP, DNS. Active Directory domain is aby.globex.com. On our DNS side, I configured all the names to be resolved for Albury and AWS. DHCP is configured and the address pool for Albury is from .50 to 200. Before .50 is all reserved for administration and server purposes. I have created 3 groups: employee, HR, IT admin. Each group has got its own members with specific policies and permissions that's required. In the IT admin, we have Bilal and Simon. In HR group, we have Coco. And in the employee group, I have Godfather. I'll show later on the client side that what each group can do and can't do. So this is Albury server. Now I'm going to show you Albury Exchange server. I'm going to fire up PowerShell. That will show that the server is successfully running. Okay, so I run the command get mailbox. It show all the mailboxes that's configured and Albury Exchange server. It's Mohammed Wahid, Simon, Bilal. So 3 mailbox has been configured that I'm going to show you here. I'm accessing Exchange through the web server and the address is Globex ABY Exchange 01 ECP. I can close this and run it again to make sure that it's successfully running. And I log in as m.wahid@aby.globex.com. And you can see those mailboxes that are created that I showed you before in the PowerShell command. Prompt: Bilal Sengi, Mohammed Wahid, and Simon. I have also configured connectors to send and receive emails. Receive connectors are default connectors for Globex Exchange Server. Send connectors, I had to configure it for internal emails and for external emails. For internal emails, it delivers the email to smtp.aby.globex.com, and this scoping is configured. So we can add as many mailboxes as the per user required. I'm going to put all the instructions in the administration file. So this was the exchange. I'm going to quickly show the IIS that is configured. Default website and Exchange backend. Okay, so this was the Exchange server. Now on the client side, first of all, I'm going to show you the client file sharing, group policy, and NTFS permission. The groups that I showed you before. Now, how those group members are entitled to what to do in these on the client side. So right now, I'm logging as Mohammed Wahid. I'm going to log in as Bilal, who is in IT. Switch user. Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to see what Bilal can access. Network. See the shared files on here. All the shared files are located on Albury server. So Bilal is in IT. He's able to work or do anything in the IT folder. He can do anything with the public folder, but he can't access HR folder. He is not in the HR group, and he is not permitted to access HR folder. And here, I'm going to log in as Coco, who is in the HR group. So she should be able to access HR folder, not the IT folder. You can also access the shared file from here, ITC308 Yep. So Coco is in the HR group. She's able to So Coco can access the HR group. She can create, delete, maybe not. I haven't given the execute access, but yep, Coco can do access HR folder, but she's not able to access IT because she's not in the IT group, and she's able to access public folder. I'm going to log into Mohammed Wahid user to test VoIP calls before the two workstations in Albury using VoIP services from AWS through VPN. Okay, as you can see, I'm logged in as Mohammed Wahid, and in here on the other side is Simon. I'm going to make a phone call from Mohammed Wahid to Simon. They are both working in Albury, but using the VoIP services from AWS Amazon through a VPN connection. I'm going to call 210 Simon. Calling. Answer. Hello. Test 1 2. Test 1 2. Hang up. And I'm going to call from Simon to Mohammed, extension 200. Answer. Hi, Simon. Yep, we can hear on both sides. So I made a phone call to Simon at AWS on the other day when we were testing. I have got that recording in a separate clip, which I'm going to include it in this demo at the end of this demo. Because of the time zone differences, I couldn't get Simon to do it now, so I've got that already saved. That I'll include that with my demo as well.
This is a quick test call from AWS to Albury site. If I call extension 200, it's ringing. We'll see Mohammed answers. Just a couple more seconds.
Hi, Simon.
Hello, Mohammed. How are you?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Is this all clear? We're just testing the call.
This is clear. Yeah, this is a test call from Albury to AWS.
Okay. Thanks. I'll hang up on the call. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Here I'm going to show you that from any clients in Albury, we have access to AWS VPN. As you can see, I can ping AWS intranet and their VoIP services, which is on .6. Yeah. So that's that, and also I'm going to show the VPN connectivity between Albury and AWS. This is Albury VPN server, which is sitting on CentOS operating system. At first, I'm going to verify the VPN connectivity. Yep, it's up and running. From here, I'm going to show you the IP sig table. Yep, it accepts and allow these ports. I'm pinging 192.168.10.5, which is AWS VPN server. Successful. I can ping any device in this network and AWS network basically from this VPN server, and any name in the network can resolve in this server. I'm going to show you one examples here. Yep, and this lookup. Yep, I just resolved Albury Exchange server, which is .6. So basically, the VPN server works in anyways. This was my demo for Albury side, and I'm going to provide the test and the administration document in separate files. Thank you for your attention. You have a good day. Bye.